All right, guys, today's hike, we're gonna be heading out here, and we are in the Cohutta Wilderness area. We're gonna be covering a lot of ground. We have no idea how far we're gonna hike. There's lots of trails out here, so we're gonna kind of just take it as it goes. So we're gonna get on trail.
This hike isn't just about stunning vistas and serene landscapes. It's about a journey filled with twists, turns, and unfortunate burns. On this trip, I had the pleasure of introducing my good friend Justin to the world of overnight backpacking.
We're almost at the top of the falls, but looks like somebody built a little bit of a primitive shelter right here by a little fire pit and everything. So very cool. I hear the waterfall right up ahead. So I love it when I get to the sound of a waterfall. Oh, gets me all giddy. Oh, and it's got a beautiful opening. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous.
It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Such a beautiful view. God painted such a beautiful picture for us to enjoy and take care of. So.
Our destination was set for the night, a pristine campsite at the Panther Creek Falls, 5 miles into the wilderness, surrounded by the magic of nature.
All right, guys, you know the name of the channel, and I'm out here on my hike. Supposed to be out here for 3 days, and first night, I am cooking and making my dinner, and we had a little accident happen. I was using a rock to cook on, this rock in particular, and while I was using that rock and I went to go pick up the stove spilt over, the boiling water landed on my leg. Right there. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see that in the lighting, but looks like a first-degree burn, or at least a scald. Sending the pictures over to a nurse friend of ours, and she's going to tell me what to do. Good morning. Made it through the night. Woke up, about to make some coffees here with this amazing view. Little update on the leg. It's doing okay. I consulted with my nurse friend, and she told me that it'd be okay to stay out here for the night as long as I kept it clean and make sure the blisters didn't pop. So, but here's what the foot's looking like this morning. A little warning, it's kind of gross.
We made a tough call to abandon our camp and to head back, determined to care for the injury properly. Our destination changed, but our spirits remained unbroken. We set our sights on Fort Mountain State Park, ensuring medical help was within reach if needed.
We are approaching a stone tower. All right, so we did all of the day hiking areas here at Fort Mountain. So now we're gonna get our packs loaded up, and we're gonna head on the backcountry trail and head to the campsite, which is about 2.5 miles in. We are all packed up and headed out for the day. There's a 14-mile loop around Fort Mountain State Park that we're gonna hit that up. We're gonna head out for the day and see what all we can get into. Leo's ready to go. We have a base camp, so that's kind of nice. Everything's kind of set up and we can leave the majority of our gear here. So we've kind of got like a day pack load out because we're going to circle back around and make it back to camp. So let's see what we can get into. We're coming up on the waterfalls here on the 301 trail, which is a backcountry trail here in Fort Mountain State Park. We got started getting rained on. Walked for a little while.
Showered.
We walked for a little while before we put on the rain gear because it was only sprinkling, but we checked the radar and it looks like we're going to spend about 5 hours in this, so it's time to break out the rain gear. Still got Leo leading the charge over there.
12 seconds later.
Stop. It won't stop because it's wet. The button won't stop. The button won't stop. The video won't stop. Because my finger is wet. Oh, goodness. It's been raining for a good couple hours now, so but we're not done for the day. We're about 9 miles in. Even with the rain, it's been a fantastic hike so far. Justin, how we doing over here?
Tired. We're kicking it. You can't quit, so what are we going to do other than hike?
All right.
For Bigfoots as well. So.
Yeah, Justin is obsessed with Bigfoot. He thinks that Bigfoot is out here. I think that he's crazy.
Hey, comment down below if you guys believe in Bigfoot.
If you believe in Bigfoot, he says leave a comment, and yeah, we're gonna hike some more. Stop and have lunch. Try some stuff out. We only got a couple miles to go back to the campsite. I am currently making dinner. Justin's gathering some firewood. We're trying to dry some stuff out. Wound up being about 15 miles of hiking today, which is a fantastic day. Got some dry clothes on, and that is nice. All right. Woke up to a rain-filled day and night. It's what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. We got that like hazy jungle look throughout here, but we got camp packed up. A little bit muddy from that, but we are heading to the truck. All right. So hope you guys have enjoyed this trip. We've enjoyed taking it, so can't wait to see the next adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe and comment if Bigfoot's real and like the video.
You heard Justin. Bye.